Good day. Today we will be talking about, the eclipses in 2022, 2023, which may trigger war, crash in stock market, in the housing market, parallel to Lehman Brothers collapse. No, I was really shocked to see that the planetary positions at the time of the Great Recession 1929, when we had Mars, Ketu and Sun in the sign Libra. Also, as per the past, I have seen that whenever Mars and Ketu are in the sign Libra or they are together, Mars and Ketu together, there has always been some untoward happening. Maybe it is connected to the stock and financial markets, maybe it is war, maybe it is the housing market, whatever it is. It has been observed that Mars is main planet which activates the things. Now, at the time of the Great Recession, 24th October 1929, Mars, Ketu and Sun were in the sign Libra and at close degrees, and Mars was at the declination point 23.20 degrees, which is considered to be most crucial when Mars is at 23.20 degrees. And now the eclipse took place at the time of 1929 October in the same nakshatra as what we are having, Swati and Bharini. So in 1929 October, the eclipses took place in Swati and Bharini. And it is a parallel happening. But Mars is not in the sign Libra. There are so many planets in Libra: Sun, Ketu, Mercury, Venus. So many planets, and Mars is in the sign Gemini, and it has been observed during the past that whenever there has been a recession, Mars has been instrumental in activating the recession, and Mars has been in either Virgo, or it has activated Virgo or activated Libra. Now from Gemini it will activate Virgo, so it satisfies that condition. And at the time of what we were talking about, the housing recession on the 15th of September 2008, Mars was with Mercury and Venus very close degrees and at the declination point of 23.20 degrees. Now, when Mars reaches 23.20 degrees, in the sign Gemini will also be very critical. It will be very critical for the world. But that is in 2023, when it falls back in Taurus, then again goes in Gemini, and then it crosses the 23.20 degrees somewhere in April 2023. But the main thing is that what we have observed, that Mars has been either in Virgo or in Libra, then the things have been very bad. At the time of 24th October 1929, as I already mentioned, Mars was with Ketu and Sun in Libra. Now we have a similar happening of planets concentration in Libra at the time of October and November eclipses. But Mars will join Libra, Sun, Ketu on the 29th October 2023. So that, and at that point of time, Saturn will also activate Rahu and Jupiter, the primary condition for the Mandi and recession. So the eclipse on the 29th October 2023 is also most venomous and parallel to 24th October 1929, and the Mars will also fall over the natal Mars. The eclipse will also fall over the natal Mars of Liz Truss, Joe Biden, Gautam Adani. If they escape now, they will get trapped in October 2023. So the planetary positions are most venomous, and the worst thing is that at the time of October 23, now we have already discussed about the eclipses. The effects have already been told that after 23rd of October, when Saturn becomes direct, then in that time is prone for a global recession. But the global recession will take a very important dimension, especially when Mars is with Ketu and Sun in the eclipse of 29th October 2023. So that clearly means that the recession will prolong. And another parameter is that what are the effects of all this? The another parameter before I tell you the effects is that Saturn and Mars will have Veda in the Rashi Sangata Chakra, the 2-7-11 triangle. So it also shows that apart from the global recession, the recession in the housing industry, there could be warlike conditions in the world. And it will be most critical because Mars will be with Ketu and Saturn will aspect Rahu and Jupiter and Moon at the time of eclipse. So it is a semi-crucial. Those planetary positions are more dangerous than what the planetary positions right now. But still not exactly parallel to the situations of World War II and the Cuban missiles, when Mars is with Ketu and Saturn is with Rahu and they oppose each other. So that condition is not there, but this 60% of the conjunction is absolutely parallel to the earlier happenings of WW2 and the Cuban missiles on 16th October 1962. Mars will be with Ketu, most venomous, and the eclipse will be activated by both Mars and Saturn. Mars will aspect Rahu and Saturn will also aspect Rahu and Moon. And the eclipse would take place in the Ashwini Nakshatra. And Mars will be, when it reaches the 23.2 degrees, somewhere in November will be most crucial. So right from 23rd of October 2022 to November 2023 is most prone. Even if the market recovers, it is bound to take a hit, especially after the 26th of April, because Saturn will be at that point of time in Aquarius and Jupiter and Rahu will be in the sign Aries and Saturn will aspect this combination. So as per Jatak Parijat, this combination is combination for Mandi and depression. So first of all, it is being activated now after the 23rd of October with dimension. Already it has been activated after the 24th of September and even before the 24th of September 2022. But when a Saturn becomes direct, it is most difficult condition because it gives some strong results for Mandi. It will give a strong result for Mandi. And then after the 26th of April, Saturn will aspect Jupiter because Jupiter will ingress on 26th of April in sign Aries and will join Rahu in Aries, and Saturn will aspect by third aspect. So then again in October, at the time of the eclipse of 29th October 2023, Saturn will be aspecting Rahu and Jupiter. Rahu, Jupiter and Moon at the time of eclipse. So that is again a combination for Mandi. So the future, and then the Veda between Mars and Saturn indicates warlike conditions. And then the conjunction of Mars with Ketu is still bad. So all this is not good. So this is all, friends, I just wanted to share. Thank you very much for listening to me. The future, you have to be very prudent in investment in the coming time, because there is going to be a lot of volatility in the stock and financial markets till November next year. Even if the market recovers, again in April there will be a trouble. And after April, even if you recover, there will be some recovery. Again in October 2023, there will be a depression. So this is all, friends, most volatile conditions. So this is all, friends, I just wanted to share. And the worst is the brawl between the countries will take an ugly dimension. Whatever I have predicted till date is coming absolutely to the point and spot on. So this is all, friends, I just wanted to share that the time has already started. Before the market cracks, it may touch a new high till before 23rd of October. So this is all, friends, I just wanted to share. Thank you very much for listening to me. Have a good day. Bye bye.